My name is Ched Pagtakan, and I am currently the school director for the Culinary School of Fort Worth. So the Culinary School of Fort Worth is a vocational school, been around since 1988, but more recently, starting in 2014, the ownership changed, and then it became more of trying to develop this school into a professional program versus being a hobbyist. And then in 2016, we actually moved the school from down the street into this facility where it is now. From then, the emphasis was really on focusing on the local chefs, what they really need out of students that come through this program, and really kind of answer those questions in regards to the professional side of things. It's the impact that we want to make in the culinary community here in the Metroplex. We have a 9-month-long program. Our students are here for a relatively short amount of time when you compare it to a lot of other programs. It's an intense, hands-on. 7 months of that is spent 5 days a week in our labs. 75% of our program is hands-on. The more exciting part of that is we've now given them the tools to prepare them for the industry, just seeing their careers kind of take off.